In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a heart symbol in Microsoft Outlook. This simple trick is a great way to add a touch of personality and emotion to your emails, making your messages feel warmer and more engaging without much effort at all. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. You can find it through your Start menu or by clicking on its shortcut if it's available on your desktop. Once the application is open, go ahead and create a new email by selecting the New Email option, which is typically located in the upper left corner of the Outlook window. This will open a blank message where you can start composing your email. With the new message window open, you can begin writing your email just like you normally would. Whether you're sending a casual message or something more thoughtful, adding a small symbol like a heart can help express tone and emotion more clearly. To insert the heart symbol, you'll use a built-in feature on your phone, Windows keyboard. Simply press the Windows key and the period key at the same time. This keyboard shortcut will open the emoji panel directly on your screen. It's a very convenient tool that gives you access to a wide range of emojis and symbols. Once the emoji panel appears, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Click on it and type the word heart. As you type, several heart symbols and emoji options will appear. Take a moment to browse through the available choices and select the one that best matches the message you want to convey. After choosing your preferred heart symbol, click on it. It will instantly be inserted into your email at the exact location of your cursor. You can place it anywhere within your message, depending on how you want it to appear. And just like that, you've successfully added a heart symbol to your Outlook email. It's a small addition, but it can make your message feel more expressive and thoughtful. As a final note, using symbols and emojis in tone, avoid any unexpected issues with your email. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. See you in the next tutorial. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.